What's up, guys? Dylan Britt from the Memphis Street Outlaws. Today, we're going to talk about water meth injection. Guys, I've got a little twin turbo truck, and we call it Beetlejuice. This is Beetlejuice, for those of you that don't know. But anyway, when you go to putting big boost in Beetlejuice, I'm having some intake air temp problems. It's non-intercooled, it's on E85, so you're going to run into this kind of stuff. So I've done a lot of research, and I come up with a company that I think is superior on the market. That's just my opinion. They've got some really nice stuff, and let me tell you about them. They're ProMeth. I talked to Rodney at ProMeth. Their number, guys, if you got any questions, give them a call. It's 801-447-2559. Now, those are the guys that you want to talk to. They're way smarter than I am on this stuff, but from what I found out about it and looked at their parts, I said, hey, I got to get that for Beetlejuice. So let me show you what I got. We're going to start off, one of the most important pieces of this combo is the fuel pump. And they've got a wide selection of different pumps and things, but look at this bad boy. I mean, this is some super nice stuff, guys. That's the pump. I'm going to show you what we're doing here. I did this fuel cell combo. They offer a lot of different sizes, gallons, things like that, but this is the one I'm going to put on. This ought to do the trick fine for what I'm doing. Where it gets a little more serious is the injection side of things. These guys offer what they call ProVolute or compressor fogger injection. You may be doing a combo where you just need a single nozzle in the boost tube or something like that, but I'm going more extreme. I'm trying to cool this thing down for some serious horsepower. So what I'm doing is the dual foggers in each compressor housing, and I'm gonna do it with this little combo. You'll put your nozzles here, solenoids are open, a little bit like a nitrous combo, injecting the water meth right into the compressor housing of the turbo. It'll cool the whole system down. This is pretty crazy stuff, and I love the way it sounds. Here's the nozzles. You'll drill and tap, put those in. It's not a big deal. These things are size, guys. If you'll get with Rodney, he can tell you what size for what power combo, kind of figure out what you need. This is what we come up with mine. I got two different tune-ups. Start with the small one, work into the bigger one. But that's the deal with that. Comes with all the wiring stuff that you need. Now, activation. Some people have asked, how am I going to activate it? You can do it with your ECU. You can do it with a pressure switch. I chose this pressure switch. Super easy, 1/8" MPT. Put it right into the intake manifold or into the compressor housing. You can adjust this, 1.5 pounds up to 20 pounds, which will activate the solenoids, injecting the water meth. That's the way I'm gonna do it, but this kit has got everything, wire loom, the relays, everything you need. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it on Beetlejuice, get out and do some testing. So let's get started.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell.
Alright guys, so we're kind of done with what I call stage 1 of this process. I've got the compressor housings ready. They've been drilled and tapped with nozzles installed. Solenoids are ready. I've had to cut and bend the lines a little bit, but this kit is headed towards finish. We're fixing to get the compressors back on, and we'll start on the pump next.
Got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down until the line 6 years.
2, and that's pump mount and fuel cell location. So take a look.
Be honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her man, go die for her man, cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this, fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. Yeah, things are gonna get better.
Alright guys, step 3, and this is the part I like, because we're about ready to make a hit. But let me give you a final tour of what all we've done, and kind of show you what we got. Starting up here with the compressor fogger nozzles, we got 2 nozzles in each compressor, solenoids fired to put the water meth in. The wiring runs to a pressure switch. It comes back here. I mounted my pump back here. It's nice and easy to keep it clean. Nice little relay inside there. Got the fuel cell. So that pretty much does it, guys. This thing's about ready to make a hit. Like I said, I want to say one last thing. I really thank ProMeth, Rodney, Renee, all those folks over there have been great to make a quality product, and I look forward to getting out and getting it tested. So stay tuned. Y'all subscribe to my channel, check everything out, and maybe I can bring you some dyno videos real soon.
Won't back down, there's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give. Talking now, we take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down, and all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound already.